DES introduces Jaws, the revolutionary new self-adjusting ratcheting wrench to Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific. Jaws is a runaway success in America, England and Europe, where hundreds of thousands are in use. Jaws replaces and outperforms all adjustable wrenches, spanners and gripping tools. There's no comparison between the gripping power of Jaws and any other tool you can think of. The more power applied to the handle, the more grip is generated at the jaws themselves. Nothing grips like Jaws. The unique 360-degree rotating handle enables you to grip pipes and nuts in locations inaccessible to all other tools. This wrench? No, can't reach. This one? No. Jaws? Yes. Jaws can get into spots no other wrench can reach, and Jaws can exert pressure from the top, the bottom, and the back. Nothing grips better than Jaws, and nothing releases its grip as quickly and cleanly. Just lift the handle. Jaws is quick to use. Flip the rotating head backwards to open. Press to close. No fiddling with an awkward knurled screw. Open, close. Open, close. Jaws goes from fully closed to fully open in less than 1 second. Mud and sand are no problem for Jaws. Jaws is a rugged professional quality tool, a must in any workshop. See how Jaws solves this problem. This badly rounded nut will not yield to any other wrench. It's no problem for Jaws. It will not round off nuts the way other gripping tools do. But if a nut has been rounded off by other tools, the Jaws wrench has a strong enough grip to turn even the most rounded nut. Look at the grip you get with Jaws. Jaws handles this corroded water pipe with ease. When you need extra pressure, Jaws can take it. It's been torque tested to 540 pounds. Nothing grips like Jaws. See how Jaws gives you grip in this awkward situation. The 360-degree rotating handle enables you to exert maximum pressure on overhead jobs. Jaws handles these fittings brilliantly. This tool belongs in every home. It's the all-in-one, better-than-all handyman's friend. See how handy it is with this inaccessible nut. See how easily it releases where most wrenches jam. For so many jobs around the home, Jaws is the only tool you need. If you're a camper, caravaner or boatie, put Jaws in your toolbox. Never leave home without this versatile tool. Jaws can get to difficult places in your car engine because of its unique rotating handle. Nothing grips like Jaws. Jaws belongs in every factory, every home, every farm, every car boot and toolbox. Distributed in Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific by DES. Introducing Jaws, the one wrench that will do almost any job. Pipes, nuts, bolts, Nothing grips like Jaws. The unique rotating handle gives you grip where no other tool can reach. Jaws opens and adjusts instantly. The harder you press the handle, the tighter Jaws grips. Nothing grips like Jaws. Tradesmen, handymen, campers, motorists, boat owners, farmers all need Jaws.